Are your not as strong, reliable, and consistent as they should be? As a qualified research chemist who spent years studying how to improve my performance, and most importantly, has actually applied the theories and became an award-winning because of it, I've identified 4 causes of a limp noodle. And today, I'll be breaking them down and showing you how to fix that problem naturally. This won't be generic advice like exercise and eat healthy. I'll be giving very specific actionables so that you can get and maintain diamond-like erections every time and ultimately satisfy your woman. But first, some reassurance. Erectile dysfunction is not a life sentence. Harvard Health says that regardless of the cause, erectile dysfunction often can be treated. And as a coach, I've personally helped thousands of men overcome this exact problem. So, telling you you can fix this just like any other ailment in regards to your health. And it doesn't matter if you're in your 40s, your 50s, or your 60s, because while you may be prone to erectile dysfunction, it is certainly not normal. If you look back in time, there are endless examples of men well into their twilight years who are still bearing children, who are still having a great time in the sack with their woman. And in fact, nobody talks about this, but the rates of STIs in retirement homes today are actually extremely high. And according to the Journal of Sexual Medicine, 26% of men who seek help for erectile dysfunction are actually under the age of 40, which shows this isn't an age-specific problem. The root causes apply to all men. Now, with that said, let's get into the root causes of erectile dysfunction. And after that, I'll go over how you can fix it naturally. Cause number 1, clogged arteries. Guys sometimes forget that they have arteries in their dick. That's how blood gets pushed in there in the first place. And Harvard Health has said that clogged arteries, aka plaque buildup, is the number 1 culprit behind erectile dysfunction. And they also say it is an early warning sign of heart disease, because if there's plaque buildup down there, it's also likely building up in other parts of your body. This is why organizations like the American Health Association, the American Urology Association, and the Mayo Clinic all encourage doctors to screen for heart disease if their patient has erectile dysfunction. So we need to clear up those arteries for blood to flow properly. The second cause of erectile dysfunction is vasoconstriction, or in other words, the narrowing of your blood vessels. And this is due to low nitric oxide production. Studies have shown that nitric oxide is the main chemical mediator of your erection, which basically means it's the boss of your boner. It is the molecule that causes your blood vessels to relax and dilate, meaning it determines how much blood can actually flow into your manhood and ultimately how big your old boy downstairs gets. Which is why when you're stressed and anxious, you can't get as hard because nitric oxide levels are significantly reduced, causing your blood vessels to contract. And that's why when you're nervous, even things like Viagra won't work sometimes. Because what Viagra does is it actually amplifies the effects of nitric oxide, allowing you to maintain an erection for longer. But it doesn't actually give you an erection in the first place because that requires nitric oxide to be pumping through your body and it requires mental arousal. Even the FDA says, and I quote, "You will not get an erection just by taking a little blue pill." And for the guys that do get an erection, it's actually a placebo effect. Meaning the mere fact that you believe the pill helps reduces your anxiety, which then raises your nitric oxide levels. Now, unfortunately, nitric oxide levels lower naturally as we age, so we need to take measures to keep it high. And the way we keep it high is twofold. First is the actual production of nitric oxide itself. And second is the abundance of nitrates in your body. Nitrates are the building blocks for nitric oxide. Without them, your body cannot produce it. The third cause of ED is hormonal imbalance, in particular low testosterone, which is directly linked to your sex drive as well. And obviously, having a low sex drive makes it hard to get aroused, which makes it hard to get and maintain a full erection. Now, the thing is, after the age of 30, our testosterone tends to decline at a rate of about 1% every year. But that's not even the worst part. The worst part is that the average 40-year-old man today has at least 20 to 30% lower testosterone than the average man at 40 from 2 generations ago. This is due to various lifestyle factors and environmental toxins that we're exposed to daily. in the modern world. The fourth cause of erectile dysfunction is a thing known as venous leakage. Venous leakage is when the blood vessels in your penis are unable to keep the blood in place. The blood flows back and forth instead of just going in one direction. This is because the valves in your blood vessels, which kind of lock that blood into the erection, aren't really working properly. So if those locks aren't working properly, you can't sustain a strong erection. And a clear-cut sign that you have venous leakage is if you struggle to stay erect in certain sex positions. For example, when you're laying on your back, where gravity is pulling the blood in your penis back into your body. But once you provide your body with the minerals and proteins to support the health of these valves, you'll find that it's much easier to get and maintain a strong erection in those positions. So now that you know the four causes, what can you actually do to fix all of this? Well, a few changes to your lifestyle can make a big difference. For example, strength training 3 times per week, focusing on compound lifts like deadlifts, squats, pull-ups, push-ups, dips. These have all been proven to raise your testosterone. It also helps you maintain a healthy weight and metabolism, which keeps your blood vessels nice and healthy. Cutting out or at least limiting smoking and alcohol is also massive because these can kill nitric oxide and lower testosterone levels. Also, cutting out certain prescription drugs like SSRI antidepressant medications, finasteride, and certain blood pressure medications. Not many people know this, but many of these drugs are known to cause ED by suppressing nitric oxide production and lowering your testosterone. And of course, arguably the most impactful lifestyle change you can make is your diet. Cutting out bad foods and eating the right ones reduce inflammation and plaque buildup in your arteries. It gives your body the nutrients it needs to make nitric oxide and testosterone in the first place too. And eating the right foods can repair the valves that keep your erection standing. In other words, a good diet is the #1 factor for strong, reliable erections because it solves all 4 causes of erectile dysfunction. Now this is a big topic, but I'll give you the single biggest lever that you can pull. Cut out all processed food. Things like fast food, sweet drinks, mass-produced bread, frozen food, processed meat, really anything with a super long ingredient list or that comes in a packet. This stuff is not natural and it is often toxic for your body. Instead, stick to whole foods, foods that haven't been altered in any way from their natural state. So things like fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, eggs, grass-fed meats, nuts, seeds. This change alone is going to make a massive difference. But if you want to guarantee you solve all 4 causes of erectile dysfunction, then you have to be intentional with the foods that you eat. Back in my porn star days, I would include very specific whole foods in my diet. If you want to know more about that, well, check out this video I made over here. The only problem is constantly buying and eating specific foods is a pain in the ass and it can actually be quite expensive. So if you're anything like me, you'd rather not have to worry about that and just have it all in one easy to take supplement. And that's why I spent the last few years perfecting our latest formula, which is called Wood Max. This is the only supplement on the market today that solves all 4 causes of erectile dysfunction. It's an improvement from our old formula of Wood, which is currently our most popular product at Clubhouse Supplements. Many guys have seen improvements in weeks, if not days, using Wood. But what we've done is over the last 2 years, we've taken in all of our customer feedback and meticulously improved the formulation of Wood to create Wood Max, which is a culmination of not just my research, but the research of other experts in our team. So if you're interested in that, check it out below in the link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.